Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to keep your games and your applications up to date on your PlayStation 5 while you have it in rest mode. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So if you press the PlayStation button and then open up the quick menu and then go over to the power option right here, you can go to enter rest mode. And in rest mode, you can charge your controllers, download updates, and suspend your games. So this is very easy to do. Let's go ahead and confirm we have the correct settings on. So on the home screen, let's go up to the top and then go to settings. Then let's go down to system. Now go down to power saving. Then go to the right and go to features available in rest mode. Now, go to stay connected to the internet and make sure this is checkmarked on. While in rest mode, your PS5 can download updates, files, and content. So now that we have stay connected to the internet selected and turned on, let's go ahead and back out of the screen. And then go to the main settings menu and scroll down to save data and game/app settings. Now let's go to automatic updates. And go to the right and make sure we have auto download checkmarked. Your PS5 will regularly check for the latest updates and download files when they're available. Then auto install in rest mode. If the game or app that will be updated is in use, it will close to allow the update files to be installed. So make sure we have both those checkmarked. Now, when there's an update for a game like Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, Minecraft, etc., if you have it in rest mode, it will download and install, and then you just turn on your PlayStation 5 and it will be ready to play right away. So enter rest mode and start downloading your updates when you're away or asleep. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.